Hello, my name is Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and today I'm going to talk to you about an important correction feature called Spell That. And you can use Spell That after you just said a word and it came up wrong. So I'm going to give you an example how to do that. First, we're going to start off microphone. Open the microphone. Wake up. Today. Spell that. Today. Click OK. Stop listening. So as you notice, I didn't make a mistake, but if I had, or if it came up wrong, you can say spell that, and it'll let you spell it out one letter at a time. In the old days, you had to use the phonetic alphabet, which is very complicated, but now you can just use the letters. So I just said Today right in the text box, and it spelled it out. So that is it's also an effective way if you're going to, if you want to like put in a name that's not common, because all the words you could possibly imagine are in there, but a lot of times proper names, you spell it once and then you train it, and most of the time after you save your profile it'll be good. So once again, this is Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Naturally Speaking Voice Recognition Pro, and if you want more tips you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, or if you're interested in my e-course, which gives you a nuts and bolts easy way to learn Dragon Naturally Speaking quickly and easily and effectively and efficiently, you can visit my website, which is also right here on this page. We will see you soon.